Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Health Ministry said 34 states and UTs in the country are recording a decline in COVID cases and positivity rate. Briefing media persons in New Delhi yesterday, Joint Secretary in the Ministry, Love Agarwal, said 16 states and UTs have achieved 100% first dose COVID vaccination coverage and 4 states and UTs between 96 to 99%. Health Ministry said that the present data indicates that unlike evidence during earlier COVID surge, surgery is safe with the current variant. Meanwhile, Joint Secretary in the Education Ministry also briefed media persons and said schools have fully opened in 11 states, partially for higher classes in 16 states, and are closed in 9 states. 95% teaching and non-teaching staff in schools have been vaccinated, and some states have achieved 100% vaccination coverage. To commemorate the celebration of 75th year of India's independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we present India at 75 quiz with AIR News Kohima, a special quiz on India's freedom movement and its glorious history. The quiz is being conducted every Thursday in the evening news at 7:10 and 7:20 p.m. and continues till 15 August 2022. Recalling our yesterday's question, Jawaharlal Nehru's famous work, The Discovery of India, is dedicated to whom? The correct answer is the prisoners of Ahmednagar jail. And the winner of the quiz is Emiro James Shetty from Bangdi village. Congratulations, Emiro, from Team AIR News Kohima. Union Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Anurag Thakur has said that central government is implementing the Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay National Welfare Fund for Sportspersons scheme. The Union Minister said in a written reply in the Rajya Sabha yesterday that the scheme provides for grant of suitable financial assistance to outstanding sportspersons now living in indigent condition, medical treatment, procurement of sports equipments, and participation in national and international events. Assistance under this fund is demand-driven, and financial assistance is provided to eligible players based on applications. Under this scheme, financial assistance of over 2 crore 54 lakh rupees has been released to 78 athletes and former athletes and coaches from April 2020 to January this year. This also includes the sportspersons who requested to provide financial assistance for the situation recent due to COVID-related issues. Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri appealed the state governments to decrease VAT on fuel prices so that rates will go down. Replying to questions in the Lok Sabha on the issue of rising fuel prices, Puri said that the prices of diesel and petrol depend on international crude prices. He said between 2014 to 21, fuel prices increased by only 30%. He said the prices of fuel were deregulated by previous government. The Union Minister said the current central government decreased the prices of petrol by 5 rupees and diesel by 10 rupees. Union Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat informed the Lok Sabha that so far 6 crore new drinking water connections have been given in the country. Replying to supplementaries in the House yesterday, Shekhawat urged the state governments to take approval of the Member of Parliaments for the district village water plan. He said the approval from the MPs can be taken in a span of 15 days. He expressed disappointment on the state governments going slow on implementing the Jal Jeevan Mission projects. Shekhawat also urged the state governments to invite Member of Parliaments while laying the foundation stones and for inauguration programs of Jal Jeevan Mission. The central government does not have any proposal to make it mandatory for graduates to register at employment exchanges in districts across the country. This was stated by the Minister of State for Labour and Employment, Rameswar Delhi, in a written reply in the Rajya Sabha yesterday. He said registration at employment exchanges for availing employment-related services is voluntary. Delhi said his ministry is implementing a national career service project to provide a variety of career-related services. As the number of COVID-19 cases are rising fast in several parts of the country, we appeal our listeners to be vigilant and get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, to get vaccinated. With the new Omicron variant of coronavirus causing concern, please continue to follow these 3 simple steps to stay safe. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information or guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.